Okay, so let's say you have an account in which you have a relationship contacts. So for example, this contact is related to the main account, and what you would like to do is you would like to delete this relationship. You no longer want to have this contact related to this account named Big Co. So how do you do this? So the code is very simple. We first instantiate a bean for the accounts module, because right now we're in the accounts, right? And this is an account within the accounts module. The next step we're going to do is we're going to retrieve this specific account here, Big Co. So the way that we do it, one of the ways is to retrieve by string fields. So right now that means that this account, it's no longer an empty object of the accounts module, it's actually an object of this specific account. So the next step is to actually load the relationships as far as the contacts are concerned. So inside the accounts, you have related contacts. So we're loading this relationship, we're establishing a link between the two using the load relationship. So once that is done, never mind the create the contact, load contact, that's incorrect. So this contact here, it has this ID. So what I did is basically instantiated the contacts bean. We did get bean for the contacts module, and we specified the the actual ID. So in this case, you see the difference here between this one and this one is that we specify the ID. So when we have the second argument present, when we enter this parameter, we're going to load this specific contact here. So the next step after that is going to be to have the relationship actually deleted. So we use this bean here. So we say for the accounts, contacts, delete, remove the link. So it's very important that we specify the ID of this company. So we say for this company ID, we want to remove this contact. So this contact comes from this bean. So we basically extract the ID of this bean, or we could have just done this actually. So, but it just, as an example, that's one of the ways of doing it, like this, and then we save. It's extremely important that you specify the second parameter, because if you don't, it's going to delete all of the related contacts relationships, not the contacts themselves, but the relationship. The contacts themselves would stay in the system. So right now we're going to upload, we're going to execute the code, and then let's see if this gets removed. And it got removed. So we removed that contact as as being related to this account. So that contact still stayed in the system, but it's no longer related to this account. If you found the video at all helpful, please leave a like, subscribe. I'll be making more of these in the future.